The electroporator will not create an output signal by itself. It will translate input signals into high voltage output signals according to the selected scaling. Switch to 2 volt per volt. A 5 volt square pulse at the signal input will be translated into a 10 volt square pulse at the output. Set the electroporator to current mode by selecting one of the current ranges in red. In this example, we choose 2 microampere per volt. A 0.5 volt square pulse at the signal input will be translated into a 1 microampere square pulse at the output. With the model cell set to 1 megohm, this results in a voltage pulse of 1 volt. Changing resistances at the model cell will change the output voltage accordingly. Note that the voltage signal is slowed down by the capacitance in the model cell, marked here in a red circle. This can be compensated with capacity compensation. To measure electrode resistances with the electroporator, set the switch on the right side of the front panel to resistance. A series of small voltage pulses will be applied to the head stage output to measure the resistance of the connected electrode. The value of the measured resistance is shown on the display. Changing the resistances in the model cell will change the reading at the display. In addition to the display, the built-in audio monitor transduces the measured resistance into a pitch. In this way, changes in resistance, as they occur when approaching a cell with the electrode, are made audible. The electroporator has 3 selectable resistance ranges. They can be chosen according to the expected resistances.